Stop telling people you live in a rented house. Your dream home in Islamabad is closer than you think. Welcome to E-19, Ministry of Commerce Employees Cooperative Housing Society. This isn't just another housing project, it's where government employees and smart investors are securing their future. Picture yourself in a community designed for people like you. Secure gates, peaceful streets, modern infrastructure, and green spaces where your family can thrive. Whether you're looking for a plot to build your vision or a ready home to move into tomorrow, this is your opportunity. Don't let another year pass watching property prices climb while you're still explaining why you rent. Contact CH Arsh today at 0334-887-2555. Your trusted real estate consultant is ready to make your home ownership dream a reality.